All right, everyone. Today we're taking a deep dive into something especially interesting if you're in the world of technical writing or documentation, uh, maybe even IT.
Definitely.
Yeah, this one comes straight from our listeners.
Oh, cool.
Senior technical writer Curt Robbins sent us
Mhm.
an article, and I got to say, it really caught our eye.
Awesome.
So it's about this idea of agentic AI and how it might be about to, well, completely change the way we work.
That's right. We're moving past AI, just, responding to our questions and prompts.
Right.
Now we're talking about AI that can actually act on its own,
Well,
making decisions and taking action without needing a human to, guide it every step of the way.
so less, hey Siri, set a timer.
Right.
And more like, hey
Okay.
AI, manage this whole project.
Exactly.
Like I go get a coffee.
Exactly. You got it. And the article Curt sent over, it's called What is Agentic AI? White-collar robots are here, for better or worse, by Emily Forlini.
Hmm.
It was published on January 15th, 2025, and it really dives into some, real-world examples.
Yeah. For example, what are we talking about here?
Well, think about OpenAI's ChatGPT, for instance.
Yeah.
They now offer tasks for subscribers.
Okay.
So you can, ask the chatbot to do things like summarize news articles or track stock prices.
Mhm.
And then you have Anthropic's Claude chatbot, which has this feature called computer use.
Okay.
And with this, it can actually move the cursor around
It's
open web pages, even download files,
that's wild.
all without any human intervention.
So it's like having a digital coworker
Yeah.
who's always one step ahead of you.
Yeah, exactly.
But is that really true agency, or is it just, really advanced automation?
Yeah, that's really the key question here.
Yeah.
True agency means that the AI can understand the whole context of a task
Mm-hmm.
and make decisions based on that understanding.
Okay.
So it's not just following, pre-programmed instructions.
All right.
It's actually adapting and reacting like a human would.
Got it.
Yeah.
So that's the concept.
Yeah.
But who's actually building this stuff? Who's working on this?
Well, Microsoft is definitely leading the charge here. They've already rolled out a whole suite of 10 AI agents.
Oh.
Each one's tailored for different job functions.
Wow.
And they also just announced this thing called Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat,
Okay.
which basically brings those agents right into the Microsoft 365 environment.
So imagine having an AI agent that could help you
Right.
write better documentation.
Totally.
Or troubleshoot tech problems, or even help you code, right?
Yeah.
That's both exciting and kind of terrifying at the same time.
Exactly. And that's what makes this moment, so important. We're seeing the potential for massive improvements in productivity and efficiency.
Right.
But, there's also that potential for job displacement,
Yeah.
especially in fields like technical writing and IT.
Yeah, that's it. That's what I was thinking. If AI can write documentation or code, what does that mean for, all the humans that are doing those jobs right now?
It's a valid concern for sure. And it's not just Microsoft, doing big things in this space.
Oh, really?
NVIDIA is also in the game developing a knowledge robot.
Knowledge robots.
Yeah, specifically designed for businesses.
Wow.
And they're even venturing into the healthcare world,
Healthcare.
using AI to try to optimize clinical trials.
So they're going beyond just making graphics cards.
Oh, yeah, they sure are. Their healthcare applications are particularly interesting, maybe a little unnerving.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. An AI managing clinical trials.
Whoa.
That brings up all sorts of ethical questions.
Yeah, like how much control are we really comfortable giving these AI agents?
Right.
Especially in a field as sensitive as healthcare. Where are the guardrails?
Precisely. And that's where we need to be careful.
Yep.
The article mentions this thing called AI hallucination.
AI hallucinations.
Yeah, it's where the AI starts generating incorrect information.
Oh, wow.
It's it gets confused and just starts making stuff up.
So it's not just about the AI being evil or taking over.
Right.
It could just be wrong sometimes.
Right. And even with, the best intentions, there's always the possibility of unintended consequences. The article actually cites a study where some AI agents were playing a war game simulation.
Okay.
And they ended up escalating the conflict
Oh, no.
way beyond what anyone intended.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's definitely a cautionary tale. So while this all sounds incredibly innovative,
Yeah.
it's clear that we need to really think seriously about responsible development and deployment of these agents.
Absolutely.
Especially in fields where, accuracy and human oversight are so crucial.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. But, let's bring this back to our listeners, especially those folks in technical writing, documentation, and IT.
Yeah.
Think about how this could actually change your work. Will AI agents become your new best friend or your biggest competitor?
Right. This article, it paints this picture of these AI agents as like white-collar robots
Yeah.
coming for our jobs.
Hmm.
Is that really the future?
It's easy to get caught up in that fear, but remember, AI still has its limitations.
Okay.
It really struggles with things like nuance and context,
Right.
creativity too. The things that really make us humans so good at what we do.
So maybe instead of replacing us, these AI agents could actually become tools
Yeah,
that help us be better at our jobs.
exactly.
So imagine like an AI that could just draft the first version of a user manual,
Right.
and then that frees you up to focus on like the more complex parts
Totally.
of explaining tech to humans.
Exactly. Think of it as like a collaboration.
Okay.
AI handles the routine stuff.
Right.
And us humans, we bring the strategic thinking, the creative problem solving,
Right.
that human touch that AI just can't replicate. And let's not forget the potential for AI to help us reach like a wider audience. Imagine AI agents that can translate technical documents into like tons of different languages,
Mm-hmm.
making that complex information accessible to a global
Okay,
audience.
now that's what I'm talking about.
Right.
Suddenly the possibilities seem like endless.
Yeah.
More engaging documentation,
Uh-huh.
personalized content for different learning style,
Right.
AI analyzing user feedback to help
Mhm.
us like constantly improve our work.
Yeah, yeah.
This get me fired up.
It's a powerful shift for sure. And it's a good reminder that the world of work is, always evolving.
Yeah.
The key is to, embrace the change, adapt our skills, and
Yeah.
really focus on those uniquely human qualities that'll always be in demand. And that brings us back to a really, really crucial question that Emily Forlini poses in her article.
Okay.
As these AI agents become more and more sophisticated, how do we ensure that they're used responsibly and ethically?
Right.
Especially in fields like healthcare and technical writing,
Yeah.
where accuracy and human oversight are just so critical.
That's a big one. Curt really did us a favor suggesting this article.
He did.
It's given us a lot to think about.
Yeah.
And I hope it's done the same for our listeners.
I hope so too. It
Yeah.
feels like we're standing at a crossroads,
Hmm.
with incredible opportunities and significant challenges ahead. Well, I think education is a really crucial starting point. The more people understand about AI, its capabilities and its limitations, the better equipped we'll all be to make, informed decisions about its role in our lives.
I completely agree. We need to like demystify AI, take it out of the realm of science fiction and make it
Mm.
something that everyone can understand and engage with.
Yeah. Yeah. And along with education, I think we need some really robust regulations and ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI. We can't just leave it up to the tech companies to self-regulate. We need clear standards and accountability mechanisms.
That makes sense. We wouldn't release a new drug without, rigorous testing and oversight, and AI is potentially just as impactful, if not more so. We need to treat it with the same level of seriousness and caution. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of agentic AI. It's a complex topic, but one that definitely deserves our attention and careful consideration. Until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep pushing for a future where technology serves humanity.